The AI revolution in video creation. Are you ready to revolutionize your video creation process? Imagine generating high-quality, engaging videos in minutes without ever showing your face and without spending a dime. Sounds too good to be true? Welcome to the world of CapCut's new AI Video Maker. It's not just a tool, it's a game changer for anyone looking to start a successful YouTube channel or scale their content production. In this 30-minute deep dive, we're going to unlock every secret of this insane, free AI powerhouse, and show you exactly how to go from idea to a fully published video, effortlessly. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete blueprint to automate your content creation and dominate the faceless YouTube niche. Section 1. Understanding CapCut's AI powerhouse. CapCut isn't just an editing software anymore, it's an AI-driven content generation studio. At its core, the AI Video Maker is designed to streamline every aspect of video production. What can it do? It can generate entire scripts from a simple idea, curate relevant images and video clips, create realistic AI avatars, automatically add subtitles, and even select perfect background music. All powered by advanced AI algorithms. This means you can literally type in a basic concept, and CapCut will hand you a ready-to-publish video in minutes. Let's break down these incredible capabilities. Section 2. Step by step. Crafting your first long-form AI video. Now, let's get practical. We'll create a long-form video from scratch, demonstrating each AI feature in action. For this example, let's imagine we're making a video about deep-sea mysteries. 2.1 Script generation. First, the script. Instead of hours of research and writing, we'll use CapCut's AI script generator. We'll input our topic, deep-sea mysteries, add a few key points like unidentified creatures and oceanic trenches, specify a desired duration, say, 5 minutes for this segment of our 30-minute video, and choose a compelling writing style. Watch as CapCut crafts a coherent, engaging narrative in seconds. 2.2 Voiceover selection and application. Next, giving our script a voice. CapCut offers over 100 free, high-quality voiceover options. We'll select one that fits our mysterious theme and apply it across all scenes. The AI intelligently splits paragraphs into individual sentences, making it incredibly easy to sync with visuals. 2.3 Media generation and matching. This is where the magic truly happens. CapCut gives us 3 powerful options for visuals. Generative AI media. CapCut's AI creates entirely new images and video clips based on our script's keywords. Perfect for unique, never-before-seen visuals. Matching your own media. If you have existing footage or images, CapCut can intelligently match them to your script. Matching stock media. Access CapCut's vast library of stock photos and videos, with the AI automatically selecting the most relevant assets based on your script's content. We'll demonstrate all 3, focusing on how the AI interprets keywords like abyssal zone or bioluminescent creatures to find or generate perfect visuals. 2.4 Dynamic captions. To maximize viewer retention, engaging captions are crucial. CapCut automatically generates accurate captions, and we can easily customize them, highlighting words as they are spoken. This simple feature can significantly boost watch time. 2.5 Background music. Finally, the soundtrack. CapCut's free sound library offers a diverse range of music. We'll pick a track that enhances the mysterious atmosphere of our deep-sea video, and the AI will even help with volume ducking. Section 3. Advanced tips and tricks for long-form content. While the AI does most of the heavy lifting, a few advanced techniques can elevate your long-form content. 3.1 Scene refinement and customization. Don't just accept the AI's first draft. Learn how to easily reorder scenes, trim clips, and replace AI-generated media with your preferred assets. CapCut makes it simple to fine-tune every moment. 3.2 Adding transitions and effects. Smooth transitions and subtle effects can make your video more professional. Explore CapCut's library of transitions, filters, and overlays to add polish without extra effort. 3.3 Incorporating B-roll and overlays. Even for faceless content, B-roll footage and graphic overlays can add visual interest. We'll show you how to seamlessly integrate these elements to break monotony. 3.4 Optimizing for YouTube SE. Beyond creation, optimization is key. we'll briefly touch upon how the content generated by CapCut can be easily adapted for YouTube SEO, including keyword-rich titles and descriptions. Section 4. Short-form content and AI templates. The viral loop. While long-form content builds authority, short-form content drives discovery. CapCut's AI templates are a goldmine for creating viral shorts, reels, and TikToks in seconds. 4.1 The power of AI templates. These templates are pre-designed structures that the AI populates with your content. Imagine needing a quick, fact, video for a short. Simply input a prompt like, "Fun facts about the Jurassic period," and CapCut generates the script, voiceover, and media automatically. It's instant content creation. 4.2 Remixing and customizing templates. We'll demonstrate how to take an existing template, input a new prompt, and watch the AI transform it. Then, we'll show you how to make minor tweaks to ensure it aligns perfectly with your brand and message. 4.3 Strategies for short-form virality. Beyond just creating, how do you make your shorts go viral? We'll share quick tips on pacing, hooks, and calls to action specifically for short-form content, leveraging CapCut's features. Section 5. Accessibility, workflow and monetization potential. One of CapCut's biggest strengths is its accessibility. Whether you're on a Windows PC, an Apple device, prefer a web-based editor, or need to edit on the go with your mobile, CapCut has you covered. This seamless cross-platform experience means you can start a project on your desktop and refine it on your phone. 5.1 CapCut across devices. We'll quickly showcase the interfaces on different platforms, highlighting how consistent and intuitive they are. 5.2 Streamlining your workflow. With CapCut's AI, your workflow becomes incredibly efficient. Imagine batch producing videos, scheduling content, and scaling your output like never before. This tool frees up hours, allowing you to focus on strategy and growth. 5.3 Monetization opportunities with Faceless AI content. The beauty of Faceless AI content is its massive monetization potential. From YouTube AdSense to affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and selling digital products, the possibilities are endless. CapCut empowers you to build a profitable content empire without ever stepping in front of the camera. Conclusion. Your future with CapCut AI. CapCut's new AI Video Maker isn't just a trend, it's the future of content creation. It democratizes video production, making it accessible, efficient, and incredibly powerful for everyone, especially those looking to thrive in the faceless content niche. It's free, it's intuitive, and it's insane. Don't just watch, start creating. The only limit is your imagination. Go download CapCut now and unleash your inner content creator. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI content insights, and let us know in the comments what kind of videos you'll be creating with CapCut's AI.